Welcome to our video on Internet of Things, how it's revolutionizing industries. In this video, we're going to explore how the Internet of Things, IoT, is changing the way we live and work, and how it's revolutionizing a wide range of industries. But before we dive in, let's take a step back and define what the Internet of Things is. Simply put, IoT refers to the network of physical devices, vehicles, buildings, and other items embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity, which enables them to collect and exchange data. The IoT is a rapidly growing field, and it's already having a huge impact on a wide range of industries. From healthcare and transportation to manufacturing and agriculture, IoT is helping companies to become more efficient, save money, and improve the quality of their products and services. One of the key ways that IoT is revolutionizing industries is through automation. By connecting devices and machines to the internet, companies can now automate many processes that were previously done manually. This not only saves time and labor costs, but also increases accuracy and consistency. For example, in the manufacturing industry, IoT-enabled machines can communicate with each other and share data in real time. This allows for faster and more efficient production, and can also help to identify and fix problems before they lead to downtime. IoT is also helping to improve the supply chain, allowing companies to track and monitor products as they move through the supply chain. This helps to reduce costs and increase transparency, allowing companies to see exactly where their products are and when they will arrive. Healthcare is also a field where IoT is making a big impact. IoT-enabled medical devices and wearables are allowing doctors and hospitals to collect data on patients in real time, which can help with early detection and treatment of illnesses. This data can also be used for research and to develop new treatments. In agriculture, IoT is helping farmers to optimize crop yields and reduce waste. By connecting sensors to the internet, farmers can collect data on soil moisture, temperature, and other factors that can affect crop growth. This information can then be used to make adjustments to irrigation, fertilization, and other practices, leading to higher yields and reduced costs. Transportation is another industry that is being revolutionized by IoT. Smart vehicles, traffic management systems, and other IoT-enabled technologies are helping to reduce traffic congestion, improve road safety, and make transportation more efficient. IoT is also helping to make our cities smarter. By connecting devices, buildings, and infrastructure to the internet, cities can collect data on everything from energy consumption to traffic patterns. This information can then be used to make cities more efficient, sustainable, and livable. As you can see, IoT is having a big impact on a wide range of industries, and the possibilities are endless. The future of IoT is looking bright, and we can expect to see even more applications and innovations in the coming years. But with the benefits of IoT, also come the risks. As more devices and systems are connected to the internet, the risk of cyber attacks increases. It's important for companies and individuals to be aware of these risks and take steps to protect themselves. In conclusion, the Internet of Things is revolutionizing a wide range of industries, and it's changing the way we live and work. From healthcare and transportation to manufacturing and agriculture, IoT is helping companies to become more efficient, save money, and improve the quality of their products and services. With the benefits of IoT, also come the risks. It's important for companies and individuals to be aware of these risks and take steps to protect themselves. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, be sure to like and share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest technology trends. Thanks for watching.